Okay, I'm going to show you how now to input your answers in MyMathLab for this question. So Peyton, this is the question that you were looking at a moment ago. I'm enclosing the work on how I actually solved it. But here's how you put those fractional answers in. So you'll click on the text box here. Use your parentheses key. Then you can go down to the bottom or use your division key. Hit the fraction button. And our first one is 3/4. So we put 3 on the top. And we can click on the bottom. You can click a 4. You can click outside of it. Move your arrow. Use the arrow key to go over, the right arrow key. Hit a comma after that. 0. And then close parentheses. So that'll take care of that one. Next, we go to the next step, which is the y-intercept. And again, I have it already solved for you. So it does have a y-intercept. What we're going to do is use our parentheses key. Again, 0, comma, use your fraction key. Hit the -1 over the 3. Close parentheses, and you can check your answer after that. So that's how you type that one in. Then we'll graph it, and you want to pick the graph that looks closest. And out of all of them, it looks like answer B is the only one that even looks close to being right. So you'll click that one. You'll click Final Check, and then you've finished that problem. So again, when you click on something up here, it's going to open up with a palette down here where you can pick the fraction key, fill it in, make sure you use parentheses in your ordered pairs, then check each one. Once you've got those done, you should be able to plot them on the paper and see that the graph looks like answer B. I hope this helps.